Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're exploring a unique and powerful word, licentious. The word licentious is an adjective, and it describes behavior that is not restrained by rules, laws, or accepted standards, especially when it comes to morals and conduct. In simple terms, if someone is called licentious, it usually means they are behaving in a wild, immoral, or undisciplined way, without caring about social rules. For example, imagine a person who ignores all boundaries and acts without self-control. That could be described as licentious behavior. It can also be used in literature to describe characters who live with complete disregard for society's moral codes. Now, let's look at a few strong synonyms for licentious. Instead of using this single word, you might also hear immoral, lawless, unrestrained, dissolute, debauched, unethical. Each of these synonyms adds a slightly different shade of meaning, but they all point to excessive freedom without boundaries. On the other hand, the opposite of licentious would be words like moral, disciplined, law-abiding, proper. So, if you want to sound more precise in your communication, licentious is a strong word to remember. It's not commonly used in everyday conversation, but it often appears in literature, history, and formal writing. And that's the essence of a licentious, its meaning, definition, and synonyms, all in one place. Thanks for watching Thesaurus Thrive, where words come alive.